Okay, hi. So I just want to give like an update on how things are going with this project and what's up with me and everything. So things are pretty busy in my life at the moment. I've got a lot of stuff going on, a lot of jobs and stuff that I'm working, lots of deadlines and things like actual work deadlines coming up. So I think I'm very much not going to be shipping something at the end of this month for the Shipathon, partially because it is the end of this month. It is September 30th, 2025. So today is the day that you would ship something. But I think that's okay because for right now, like I'm just happy to keep going with this project. I'm really excited with like what I've been building, and I would just like to keep working on it more long term and not, you know, over the course of only like a month, or I guess less than a month. I don't know. I don't know how many days it was, like maybe 20 or something. But yeah, so I'm pretty like happy with what I've like built so far. Let's see. The only thing is, I don't think it's going to show up super well if I hold it up here. I'll maybe show like a demo as well, just on the side. But there, that's how it looks so far. I'm quite happy with it, and it's been really fun. There's so much more work to do. There's so much stuff to like add to it, and I have this like entire vision of like, yeah, what I want it to look like, and like what I want the everything to like act like and everything. So I think what I'm gonna try to keep doing is like these sort of update vlogs, not connected to any sort of competition, just like as I'm building this, and like on a longer time scale. Um, but yeah, like maybe over the course of like the next year or so, it'd be nice to like, see how much progress I make, because it is like a very ambitious project, a pretty big project, and yeah, so it'd be kind of like nice to see. One thing is, I'm sorry about any of the noise. My iPad is like propped up on the window right now, and I would very much ideally not like it to fall out the window. So I'm gonna try to be careful here. But yeah, that's kind of my general update. Um, I also have, I think, another update vlog that I will publish today as well, that has like several days of updates and like work periods on it, but a lot of the work periods have gotten shorter just because, I do have a full-time job as well, and then other side jobs and gigs and things going on. So I don't have like a whole bunch of time. So I think for today, what I'm interested in doing is working on Limitless for just a little bit, maybe 20 to 30 minutes, like I've been able to for some of the previous days, and then see how far I can get on it. I think I don't even remember where I left off. I don't know what my goals are, so I'll just I'll just work on stuff, and then at the end of this, I'll tell you what I did. But yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, and let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna try to talk loud because it's pretty loud outside the window right now. Maybe I'll see if I can do some sort of like noise suppression or something. I still don't have audio on my laptop though, so it's gonna be a little bit iffy. But anyways, I ended up working for an hour and a half instead of, I think I said I was gonna work 20 to 30 minutes, but I ended up having a blast, and I had like a lot of fun putting the things together. I kind of have like a much better idea of kind of like what I'm trying to go for in terms of how to structure like the game itself and like how the mechanics of everything's gonna work. So that was really, really fun. Today's work was mostly just creating a whole bunch of classes so I could instantiate like objects later. But a whole bunch of classes for different elements of like the series. So when a creator creates a series, then they can choose all these different elements if they want to add like potions and spell cards and like NPC quest giving characters and adversaries that the user who subscribed to their story or their series is going to fight, all this kind of stuff. So that's what I was working on today, is basically creating a whole bunch of classes for instantiating these kinds of objects. So I have an item, like a sort of general class for items, and a general class for characters, and then within those general classes we have like, it pulls in like objects that are criteria objects. So if like the type of element that you're working with is say like a potion or a charm or something, yeah, charm, potion, spell card, something like that, then what you're going to be pulling in is like the criteria for that. So basically that's where you have all the rules and how that potion or charm or whatever works. So that's what I've been starting working on today. It's a lot of work. So I just started, yeah, making all these objects today. So there's not really been anything so much on like the UI side. It's just like, yeah, making a bunch of objects that I'm eventually going to just like pass over to the UI. Because right now I have some like little, I guess sort of like dummy objects that I've been passing in the in the main kind of like UI file, I guess. I don't know. Like these like little dummy items that are just like variables, and I just pass in like the picture and the like text, I guess, to it. But what's going to end up being passed is actually like a lot more information. So that's basically what I've been working on today. Again, I love that like Dart is like object-oriented language because it works quite well with the way my brain works. So that's been fun. And yeah, I think that's everything for right now. And like I said, I'll continue to work on this project. It's nowhere close to being shipped or anything, but you know, maybe a year from now or something, maybe I'll have something like nice put together. I just want to keep working on it and keep like, yeah, doing these update vlogs because it's been quite fun. So yeah, that is my update. I'm really sleepy, so I want to take a quick nap, and then maybe I'll edit together these videos really fast, and then go back to like my regular work. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.